Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix Chatgpt 2 menu requests in 1 hour, try again later. So first, go to home page and click the 3 dots at the top right corner. Next, at the bottom, click the settings. Then, go to the left side and click the security and privacy. Then, click the cookies and other sites data. Scroll down and click again see all sites data and permission. Then, move your mouse on the right side. Next, type OpenAI. Then, at the bottom, you need to click the trash icon, then clear it. Now, the second option you need to do is to create a new account or choose another Gmail account when logging in. The third is you can download Firefox or Opera, go to Microsoft Store and download Opera Internet Browser and see if you solve the problem. That's all. Thank you for watching.